been fishing, back home, get the binoculars, get the dog into the woodland and do a little bit of nature spotting. Chiff chaff there, singing away at the top of that hawthorn bush. I'm at one of my favourite viewing points in the valley. There's the brook at the bottom there, and you can't see with your naked eye, but that's where binoculars come in. There's a female mallard tucked away in the vegetation alongside the brook itself. These low-lying flowers that are just coming out into bloom are called opposite-leaved golden saxifrage. They like damp conditions, and they're in that environment right now between the brook and a small pond. Still quite early, so they haven't come out into full bloom yet, but alongside the brook, lots of lesser celandine. Lots more lesser celandine there. There's the brook, and on the opposite side, wild garlic. Ramson's, its official name is. That will be a mass of white flowers in due course, and if you squeeze the leaves you'll see why it gets its name of wild garlic. This sadly is a daily event just in this lane, never mind anywhere else. What I would do, because the council comes down on a regular basis picking up everyone's rubbish, what I would do is get people down here in advance, get the evidence of them as they dump it, irrefutable evidence, and take the cars off them. Simple as that. But I need my car for work. I've got to take my wife to the hospital. Well, you should have thought about that before you started dumping. Nip it in the bud, take that action, and you'll be surprised how quickly the dumping decreases. Unfortunately, we have a government that's very, very tough, but on the wrong sort of things. Those are my thoughts anyway. I don't know what you think about these things. Some more stuff as well, dumped down there. These would be people, if I had my way, that wouldn't have the vehicle to come and do it. They'd do it once and that would be the end of it.